Hey guys, I'm just finishing up with the new Rad Runner Plus. We're here in Vancouver, Canada at the new store. This is 275 West 5th Avenue. I looked at their past store. I've been to the headquarters in Seattle, Washington. They also have one in Europe, which I hope I get to see someday. But I thought it'd be fun to just take a little tour and see what's new. There we go. Are you Aubrey?
I am indeed.
Fantastic. I've been chatting with you on the phone. Thanks for helping me out. Should we get this thing inside?
Let's do it.
Wow, so this place is definitely large.
It's a big upgrade from our previous store. At 12,000 square feet, it's 10 times bigger than the old location.
10 times bigger. Oh my gosh.
So we moved from our old location in East Van to Mount Pleasant, which is just south of the downtown core. Fantastic location.
Yeah.
It's an up-and-coming neighborhood, bars, restaurants, breweries. It's right between two bike lanes, and it's easily accessible by transit.
Yes, and you've got some good parking out there. I'm parked for free, and then they've got like meters and stuff. Sometimes when I go to shops, it's like kind of a headache to get parking. So for me, that was a real win.
Excellent.
Looks like you carry every bike here. We got the Rad City Step Through, Rad Burrow. That's a fun one, but it's only for your commercial customers, right?
That's right.
Okay, fantastic. We got the folding Rad Minis. This is what I was talking about before. This is the Rad Runner, just the basic model that doesn't have suspension. I really enjoyed the Rad Runner Plus. I've got a review of that online. We got the Rad Rover and stuff. Hey, Tom, how's it going?
How's it going?
Fantastic, man. It's good to see you out of a van. They're giving you a break here, huh?
Absolutely, yes. Welcome to the new store.
I'm enjoying it, man. This is really cool. You've got accessories over here. Like I see the Yep child seat.
So primarily we want to get the bikes into the hands of the customers. So we want to be able to, like you see with them on display, help them kind of feel the bike, really check them out. We do the test ride so they can kind of size them up and then actually jump on them and have some fun. We do service, and then we have Rad Mobile also kind of operates out of the back as well. So
okay, so Rad Mobile is like this service van where they'll come to you and drop off the bike, and I guess do some service and stuff too. Where do you guys service, like the entire Lower Mainland, or what are the cities?
We do basically cut off at just before Langley City. So we do like Tawasin, North Vancouver, West Vancouver, to Coquitlam, New West.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, I heard there are a bunch of guys in the back, but a few of them have floated out here. So what's your name?
My name is Pavel.
Pavel, I love your mask, man.
Thanks, man.
What's your role here?
My role is a service advisor. I help intake with repairs, diagnostics, and I also help the assembly team out in the back.
So if someone buys a Rad Power bike and then you're here, do they just pay for a tune-up, or what do you offer
It
here?
really depends. We do our warranty tune-ups, safety checks, powertrain diagnostics. We do basic tunes. We also do a Rad tune, which covers the entire bike.
Rad.
From like the front wheel to the back wheel, chains, cassettes, the whole works, yeah.
Fantastic. Who's this guy in the background? I don't want to miss him.
I'm Stefan.
Hey, Stefan. Hey, nice to meet you, man. What's your role here?
So I'm a retail supervisor here at the store.
Retail, no wonder you're like getting everything clean and like positioning it all. You're doing a great job, man.
Thank you.
What do you want me to see? What haven't we seen here yet?
Oh my God, I mean, you've seen the best of it. You've seen the showroom.
I'm really loving this, you guys. And when you said it's 10 times bigger, I mean, again, there must be like a bunch of boxes and stuff in the back, but you keep in this area like just beautiful. We got people lining up out there. So I think that's it, you guys. Whenever I travel around and I get to see a new shop or whatever, it's fun to give a little tour, especially with Rad. You guys have the one in the United States in Seattle. You've got one here in Vancouver, and then there's one in Europe, right?
Correct.
So that's fantastic. And they all offer the same sort of experience?
They do.
Okay, well, sweet. Back at ElectricBikeReview.com, I got reviews of all these bikes. There's a forum. You can leave your comments. But I hope this gives you like a virtual tour, and I hope you have a great day.